In today's world, preparedness is key, especially when it comes to our children. Creating a mini bug-out bag for your child's school backpack can provide peace of mind and ensure they are equipped for any emergency situation. Here's how you can make one. A mini bug-out bag is a small, portable kit containing essential items that can help your child handle unexpected situations when they are away from you. Let's go through each item you'll need. Include a small, durable water bottle. Hydration is crucial. Pack water purification tablets or a mini filtration straw to ensure your child can purify any available water. An emergency whistle can help your child signal for help if needed. Teach them how and when to use it. A poncho can protect against rain and wind, while a bandana has multiple uses, from filtering water to serving as a sling or head cover. Pack an extra pair of socks and underwear. Wet or dirty clothes can be uncomfortable and lead to health issues. A small, lightweight flashlight is essential for visibility in dark or low-light situations. Ensure it has fresh batteries. Include non-perishable snacks like granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit. Single-serving drink packets can make unpurified water more palatable. Write down emergency contact numbers and your child's medical information. Place this card in a waterproof bag. A compact first aid kit should include Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, adhesive tape, gauze pads, and any personal medications your child might need. A small bottle of hand sanitizer helps maintain hygiene when washing hands isn't possible. An emergency blanket can keep your child warm in cold conditions. It's compact and lightweight. Pack a small comfort item, like a family photo or a favorite toy, to provide emotional reassurance. Keep the bug-out bag lightweight and easy for your child to carry. Use a sturdy, zippered pouch that fits easily in their school backpack. Review the contents of the bug-out bag with your child. Ensure they know how to use each item and understand the importance of the kit. Regularly check and update the contents to keep them current and in good condition. By following these steps, you can create a mini bug-out bag that empowers your child to handle emergencies confidently and safely. Remember, being prepared doesn't mean being scared. It means being ready for anything life throws your way.